Few days ago I posted this photo on Instagram. Actually this is not a photo, it's a video, and in this video as you can see that star is moving really slowly, and many people asked me in the DM how did you do that. So in this video I am going to teach you how to move anything out of your photos and make your photos alive. So here we are inside the After Effects, and the first thing we need to do is drag the photo which we want to edit inside of After Effects. You can drag it over here, and after doing that you can drag it into this part which is the timeline of After Effects, just like we do in Premiere Pro. Now you can see that photo inside the timeline, but it's a little bit zoomed because of it is zoomed from over here. If you will click on fit, it will be in its original scale, but we just want to edit the smoke, that's why we are keeping it like this, and click on H to move it up and down. And now what you can do to do that effect is select the video and hit Ctrl+D, which will create a duplicate copy of that video. And after creating a copy, by keeping the upper layer selected, click on this puppet tool and start drawing these dots on the smoke which we want to move. Just make sure that all the dots are going to stay at around similar distance from each other. Don't put them too far away from each other, or don't put them too close to each other. So just maintain a constant distance between all those points, and just make sure while making those points you are on the first frame of the video. And now come to the end frame of the video and click on any one of those points and move that point towards the direction where you want to move that smoke, and just keep doing that to all of those points which you want to move. Now after moving all of those points, I realized that the movement was not enough in the smoke. So what I did is I created some more points in between those two lines of points, and I also moved those points. And remember that the more you will move those points, the more movement it is going to create in your smoke. I like to keep that effect really mild and subtle, so I didn't move those points really far away from each other, so the effect is going to look really slow. But as you can see, as I am scrubbing through the footage, it is moving that smoke as just like we want, but it is also affecting the other parts of the footage too. So we are going to fix that now. To fix that, what you can do is come on the bottom layer, which is the normal photo where nothing is moving, and duplicate that by hitting Ctrl+D again, and put that second layer on the top of the first layer. So now the upper layer is the normal photo, and the second layer is the layer where we have given that moving effect. And now by keeping the upper layer, that means the normal photo selected, click on this pen tool and draw a perfect mask around that smoke. Now if we will disable the view of the bottom two layers, as you can see we have just selected the smoke, but we don't want that. So we are going to come under mask in that top layer and click on inverted. Now again open this drag down option and you will see mask feather. Keep that mask feather around 100, and as you can see that black part is creating smooth edges. Now on the top layer we have everything except that smoke part, which is black part, and black is transparent. So and when we will enable the view of the bottom layer, it is going to show the parts of the bottom layer through that black part. And as we have already edited the movement of the smoke in the second layer, it is going to appear through that only black part. And the last thing you can do is find the mistakes in your video edit, adjust the mask around somewhere and play with the feather, so you will get a perfect mask where only the smoke is moving and other parts are totally remaining as it is. So that was the video guys. If you enjoyed this video, just don't forget to like this video, comment down below how was it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends. And yeah, that's it, and I will see you in the next one.